how you can log in to ESS Portal. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and now tap on the search bar and search for ESS Service Portal. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on this first link you see there. And now in this particular interface, you will be led to the login portal of ESS Portal. So go ahead and enter a valid email address along with the password of your account. And once entered, tap on the login option you see there. And with this, if the data that you entered is correct, then you will be successfully logged in to ESS Portal. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the forgot password option you see there and recover your password and further log in to ESS Portal. So this was about how you can log in to ESS Portal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.